If you're struggling with shortage of blood, this is one of the meals you should incorporate in your diet. Let me show you how to make this delicious yam and vegetable, also known as Nigerian blood tonic. Start by prepping your yam. So I sliced, peeled and washed my yam. Then added it to a clean pot. I added some water to the pot. The water should be slightly above the level of the yam. Then I added some salt. Now cover the pot and allow the yam to cook. While that was cooking, I got started with my vegetables. For this, I'm using this popular vegetable called green here in Nigeria. It's also known as amaranth greens. So I plucked, washed and cut my vegetables and set it aside. After which I sliced up some onions. Then in another clean pot, I added some of the sliced onions. This is to serve as a base for the vegetables to prevent burning. Then I added the cut vegetables and the rest of the sliced onions. I also added some salt, a seasoning cube and some dry peppers. You can use fresh peppers if you want. After which I covered the pot and set the stove on the lowest heat. Please cook this on a very low heat to prevent burning. And this vegetable should cook for just 5 minutes on very low heat. So after 5 minutes, turn off the heat and mix thoroughly. Now check on the yam to see if it's done. You can do this by sticking a knife or a fork into a piece of yam. If the knife easily penetrates the yam, then the yam is done. Once the yam is done, sieve out the water from the yam. Now it's time to combine everything together. In the pot of yam, add your cooked vegetables. Add a seasoning cube and some salt. Then add some palm oil. Combine everything thoroughly and food is ready. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.